Well, it's just grey and miserable today. It has not stopped raining most of the morning, and it is so grey. It looks like, I was just looking out the window then, it looks like it's going to rain again. So that's a little weather update. It's actually Wednesday, so I am a little bit behind in terms of vlogging. I don't know what is going on with my hair. I washed it this morning and it's gone a bit crazy. Anyway, off topic. I have been doing BOS jobs. Sorry, I'm holding my camera this time. I usually have it on my stand, but I'm being lazy and I'm not going and getting it. So I'm talking to you like this. Yeah, I have done BOS jobs. I've done lots of drawing. On Monday, I think it was, the June calendar freebie that I do went live in the Facebook group, so you can go and save it and then print it off yourself. So that looks like that. And then I also add it in the shop as a physical die cut, just in case you don't have a printer or you want to actually grab it on a card. So that went live on Monday. So I've been drawing sort of around that theme. I've done quite a bit. So I will share some of that with you. I also, last night, sat and did lots and lots of orders. So I have put them all into their piles with their samplers and their journaling card. I'm getting arm ache. Now I know why I use my stand. And my next job is to make some more of the packaging envelopes that I use. Like they're more pockets than envelopes, but I've run out of made ones, so I need to get the sheets out and then make some more, and then the orders that I completed last night will go into those, and then I can actually pack those orders. So that is my next job. That's what I'm going to get on with now. I might actually sit and put something on Netflix while I'm sitting and making the pockets, because they do take a little while to make, and I'm not going to just make enough for the orders. I think I'm just going to make up the rest of the sheets that I've got left. Otherwise I'm just going to have to sit and do this again in a few days' time. So that's my next job now. I'm going to crack on with that and I'll catch up with you a bit later. Morning. I've got my stand now. I wasn't lazy, I went and got it. So no more me trying to hold up. Also, it's funny, isn't it, how like the angle of the camera can make you look so different. I think when I was holding it like that, I was like looking down into it. Anyway, I have made all of the packaging, the pouches that I was talking about yesterday. So I sat and did 50 in one go. Took me quite a while, but they're all made and ready. And then I managed to pack up all of the orders that I'd sorted as well, because that was literally the only thing I was waiting for, was the pouches. So they have all been packed. They're sat on the table next to me. I need to fill in my manifest that I think I've shown you before. So that's my post office. I just drop them off so I don't have to queue, which is really good. I've got like a prepaid account if you haven't heard of that before. So yeah, it's a proper time saver, but you need to fill in the form of how you want everything to be posted. So that is my next job, is just to sit and fill that in. And then I need to take, I keep staring at I've got a big box as well that needs to go. I just need to take all of that to the post office. So I'm going to walk around, hopefully, it's a bit grey out there. Hopefully I don't get rained on. I might have to put my big mum coat back on with my hood. But yeah, I need to take that round to the post office. And then I really want to look at the new artwork that I've drawn. So far I've done quite a few bits. There's a couple of things that I just want to add in. So I'm going to do that today and then get them sent over to my computer. And then I want to start looking at doing the June sampler, the banners that I normally do that go over the like the Etsy banner and the Facebook page and the Facebook group. And then what else do I usually do? Oh yeah, the June calendar, so like the schedule for what's happening throughout the month. So that all coordinates, so I'll do that as well. And then once I've done all of that, I'm going to look at designing like the collection, so the mini kit, the full kit. This isn't all today, by the way. I don't think I'm going to get all this done today, but this is just my thought process of what I need to do next. So the vellums, I think I might do some die cuts for this range as well, and then just pop all that together. I've just realised I haven't done any new bows in a while. Do you know, I might actually design some bows to go with the Paint Your Dreams kit, because it's such a pretty floral and it's been quite popular. So I think I might do, if you're not sure what I mean by the bows, they are behind me. I'm just going to grab, so I've got these, they're the plain ones, but I started doing matching the collection. So this one is from the Tailor's Oldest Time, so these are the little roses, but they're staggered, so you can put them on the front and back of a page and they can act as a tab as well as just being a pretty bow. So yeah, I haven't done those for the Paint Your Dreams. I'm trying to think if there's any other collections I didn't do them for. But yeah, I'm going to do those, I think, because I think they'll just look so pretty. Oh, I'll put those back in a minute. I can't find the right tab. I think that they'll look really pretty with that floral from the Paint Your Dreams kit. And then I'm going to see, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do them with this new artwork that I've got. Sometimes, because it's such a tiny little space and the bow, it's hard to make out what it actually is. So unless it's like a pattern, they won't look quite the same. So yeah, I'll do them for the Paint Your Dreams, but I'm not sure about this new artwork, which I will share with you at some point, because I realise I haven't actually done any of that yet. So I'm going to do the changes that I want to do, or the additions. Then I'll share that with you, so you get like a little sneak peek of the artwork before I actually do anything with it. And then I can start designing. Oh, there's something else I need to do as well. It's the postcard, the June. I haven't done that yet. I'm a bit behind. I don't really know what's going on. So I need to do that as well. So I can't do all that today because that's just not possible. But yeah, if I say it all, then it stays in my head of what I need to do. So yes, I will crack on and sort out the artwork first and then share it with you after I've been to the post office, of course. Catch up with you in a bit. Morning. Yesterday was a really busy day, and then I got to the evening and I was really tired and I didn't do any bits of stationery jobs. I thought I'd give myself the evening off, which you always feel guilty about stuff like that, don't you, when you're supposed to do something and then you don't. But I think I needed it. I needed to just sit and chill a bit, and I ended up doing my nails. So I've now got grey nails, which I'm loving. I've wanted to try grey for quite a while. I haven't worn this shade of grey before, I don't think. But yeah, I'm loving it. So, and then I ended up doing my daughter's nails as well. So that was really nice. So we just had an evening just chatting away, nails, just girly chill out evening. It was lovely. We shared the artwork, the new artwork, and my adjustments that I made to some of them. So you've seen that in the previous video. So I need to go and do my daily yoga because I haven't done that yet. And then I also need to go and pick up the trampoline because it was so windy yesterday that the trampoline it was at the bottom of the garden. It's now up by the house. So I need to go and flip that over and move it back. And then I was going to cut the grass. I don't know. It looks like it's going to rain now. So I don't know if I'm going to get that done or not. I really wanted to do that today though, because it looks like a jungle out there. So let's see if I do that or not. But my bits of stationery jobs for today are to use that new artwork and then sit and do a bit of designing with it. So I will share probably a bit later on today, but I'll share what I do with it. I think that's probably going to be my theme for the majority of the weekend, actually, is just designing different bits and pieces with it. So, which is nice as well, because I can do that just chilling out on the couch, watching TV. But yeah, I will share whatever I do. Last night I started the designing for the new artwork. So I'm going to finish that today. And I also want to do the postcard for June. I need to design that and get that ordered. So I might even do that first, actually, so that I can show you. And then you'll see it before the vlog goes live, because that's my other job for today, is to edit the footage I've got so far and get the vlog live. I've spent a lot of the morning doing housework, just general jobs. Tried to cut the grass and then it started raining, so I've only got a bit of the grass done, so that looks really funny, but never mind, it is what it is. So yeah, I'm going to design this postcard now, then I will show you that, and then we'll go from there. Hope you're having a good Sunday. So the June postcard is going to have the same theme, the beach theme that you've just seen. So I thought this time round I'd do a double-sided postcard, which I did for the May one for last month, but I want to use the two artworks together, and I'm not going to add the information that I usually add on there as well, because I thought it would be quite nice. You can either use one side or the other then. So just designing that now, and then I'm going to go back and finish the kits because I haven't actually finished them yet. And then as time's getting on, I'm going to now edit the vlog. So thank you very much for watching another week, and I will see you next time. Hopefully a little bit longer one. Thanks, bye.